A lot of people have been asking so many questions about Poppo Live. So today I'm going to be answering some of the most asked questions on Poppo Live on mostly my previous Poppo Live videos. So if you have asked some questions on those videos, today I'm going to be giving answers to some of those questions. Now, it's not as if I've not answered those questions. I do respond to comments, but in this video, I'm going to be giving detailed answers to these questions. I'm going to throw more light on those questions. So if you are new to Poppo Live is a platform where you do simple tasks and earn some points, and those points will be converted to, I don't want to pronounce it. You understand what I mean already. So if you are new to Poppo Live, I'll be dropping the link to my WhatsApp group in the description of this video or in the pinned comment. So you can join my WhatsApp group and send me a DM requesting that you want to join Poppo Live, and I'll give you all the necessary details that you need. I can post the link directly to YouTube. I'll be posting it in my WhatsApp group, so send me a DM. So the first question I'm going to be answering here is, now this person says, thanks for your teaching. Please, is there any benefits of doing my own party? Yes, there are a lot of benefits when you do your own party. Now, if you open your panel and people come to sit on your panel, if people do exchange, now Poppo is going to reward you with some percentage of the exchange that was done on your panel. But it depends on the amount that was done. So the higher the amount of exchange that was done on the panel, the higher the percentage that Poppo is going to give you. I cannot categorically tell you the exact percentage or the exact number of coins that Poppo will give you, but just know that Poppo is going to give you some coins. They are going to, gift you some coins for, opening your party for people to come and do exchange. Okay, so that's one of it. Now, when you open your own party, people can come to play games. Now, when people play game on your panel, they can decide to gift you as well. That way, you'll be able to earn some good coins. You understand? Maybe your friends come to your panel to play game, and some, yes, they are very generous to that extent. They can, if they win much on your panel, there they can just decide to, gift you. Now, people can come to your panel to gist, to laugh, to play, to discuss, and from there they can also gift you. People can also gift you when you come to gamble on your panel. Now, imagine you open your panel and people come to sit down and they are gambling on your panel. As they are gambling, being that you are the owner of the panel, they will definitely gamble on you. Yes, that way they are gifting you. And they are gambling, they too are also winning. So if they win more, they tend to gamble more. And while they are gambling on you, they are gambling on other members of the panel. So that way you'll be able to also get some coins. Now this person says, I don't want to pronounce it, on my second task. I slept off and they temporarily suspended me and give me only 150 points. I don't know when they will remove the suspension. You can see, this is one thing I always advise people. When you are live on Poppo, you don't sleep, you don't leave your camera. Yes, you don't do that. You don't go off camera. It's not allowed. There are prohibition that Poppo do not. There are things Poppo do not allow, like sleeping while you're on live. Maybe allowing a minor to come on your camera is actually not allowed. Going off the camera while you are live is actually not allowed. When Poppo discovers that any of these three that I've mentioned, they can automatically suspend you, and they'll give you time when the suspension will be removed. Okay, so you don't sleep while you are live. It is better to end the live, go and do whatever it is that you need to do, and then come back again. You can reopen the live and continue from where you stop, provided the time for the new task has not elapsed. Yes, time for new task usually comes to 5 p.m. Nigerian time. I don't know about other countries, but Nigerian time, 5 p.m. every day. So before 5 p.m., make sure that you have completed that 1 hour. Okay? So do not sleep, do not allow it minor. And also, pornographic contents are also prohibited during live stream. Okay, moving on to the next question. This person says, what point or coin can I get to before I withdraw? All right. Now, when you say point or coin, points is different from coins. Okay. So let me show you what point is and what your coin is. Now, this is my own profile. Now, this right here is your coins, and this other one here is your point. So you can see that your coins is different from your points. Maybe if you buy coins, this is where it's going to you're going to find your coins. Now, it is when you have made an exchange that you want to withdraw your money. It's when you have made an exchange, then it will now go to your points. So it's from your points that you can withdraw. You cannot withdraw from your coins. If you want to withdraw, you will have to first of all convert your coins to your points. Okay, so that's for that. Now, back to the answer. What point or coin can I get to before I withdraw? You get to 100,000 points. That's the minimum point you get to before you can withdraw. Yes, and 100,000 points is $10. Okay, so that is the minimum, 100,000 points. Okay, I have another question here. So guys, I had to continue this video on another day. Something came up, so I had to stop the recording. And here I am to finish up this video. So moving on, the next question here is, how do I join your agency? Now, this particular question is like the most asked question that I have gotten concerning Poppo Live. So today I'm going to show you how to join my agency. The first thing you're going to do is to go over to your app, and then you're going to come over here and click on agent. When you click on agent, from your end, it's going to bring you straight to this page. So here you can see it says join agents. Please enter agent's ID. You're going to enter my ID right in this box here. So when you enter my ID, then it's going to bring you to this next page. You can see it says reminder, please kindly confirm you are willing to join this agency. Number 2, every host can only join one agency. Number 3, if you want to leave agency, you need to apply to your agent. Then you're going to click confirm. When you do that, and yes, these 3 things that were listed here, it says confirm you are willing to, you're going to confirm. It says every host can only join one agency. Yes, you cannot join more than one agency. You cannot join 2 agencies at the same time. So if you want to transition from one agency to the other, you have to first of all leave your current agency before going to another agency. Like some agents don't release their hosts on time. Some do request for payment, but I don't. If you want to leave my agency anytime, you are very free. Once you apply, I approve your leave. Okay, so you're going to click on confirm, and then it will bring you to this next one, which is congratulations. I'm glad you have joined my agency. In the days to come, let us work together and make a win-win cooperation. And that is all. That is how to join my agency. So this next question here says, am I going to pay to register? No, you are not making any payment to register. Registration is totally free. Okay, all you need to do is just download through the link, which is my link. So if you want to get access to that link, you can join my WhatsApp group. Like I always say in my videos, join my WhatsApp group, send me a DM, and I'll send you the direct link to download. So you don't need to pay to register. Registration is totally free. Okay, so don't let anybody deceive you that you have to pay. No, you don't. All right, this next one here says, hello, I'm new on the app level. I'm new on the app level 1. I've made $1 so far. Can you please help me make more money? Okay. You said you have made $1 so far. And that $1 is about 10,000 coins. So you said you're asking me if I can help you make more money. Now, I have done a video where I explain how you can get free coins on Poppo Live. So please do well to watch that video. Yes, this particular video, I have done a video on this particular topic. There are several ways that you can earn on Poppo Live. So do well to watch this particular video. This person says, I need your agent ID. Please, this is my agent ID on the screen. Okay, this is my ID. So if you need my ID to register, you're going to just get the ID and then use it during your registration process. Now, this other person says, good day, ma. Please help me. When I go live on Poppo Live, I stay for 3 hours, but they will not give me my points. Okay, as a new user, you don't even need to stay for 3 hours. Yes, as a new user, you're only eligible to stay for 1 hour or 2 hours. But for 3 hours, no, you're not eligible. People that stays for 3 hours are people with higher levels. Now, if you're saying that you stay for 3 hours, but they will not give you your points. One thing is this: if you don't know how to collect your points after you have done your task, you may not be able to get it. That's one thing. So when you are done with your task, your Poppo is going to send you a notification message. Go to your message. You get a notification message where Poppo will tell you, congratulations, you have completed your task for the day. Tap here to claim your daily bonus. You're going to click on that place where they ask you to tap. Then it will take you straight to your reward page. There you're going to see receive, something like a receive box. You are going to click on that. It's going to be in blue. So you click on that box and then you'll be able to claim your reward for that day. Okay, so it could be that you are just there doing your task. After 1 hour, you don't go to collect your point. After 2 hours, you don't go to. You're supposed to go back to your reward page to go and collect your coins. This next question here, this person says, how can I get to another level on Poppo? It's as simple. Do exchange. Yes, it's by exchange. That's when you can get to the next level. You have to do exchange. It's either you buy coins to do exchange, or if you have coins, you can multiply your coins by playing games or by gambling, and then you do exchange. So the more you do exchange, the more your level increases. Okay? So that is how you level up on Poppo. Now this next person here also says how to reach level 5. Like I've always said, level 5 is for male users. Yes. Whenever you register as a new user on the Poppo Live app, and then you are seeing something like reach level 5 before you can go live, it means you register as a male user. And one thing about Poppo has restrictions at the early stage for male users. As a male, when you register, Poppo will not allow you to go live. They will not allow you to do any task until you get to level 5. Now, the only way you can get to level 5 is for you to buy coins. Yes. You have to buy coins and do exchange. All right, you have to buy coins and do exchange. And when you exchange, there's an amount you have to exchange to for you to be able to get to level 5. So you have to spend money to buy coins before you can get to that level. So once you get to level 5, then you'll be able to live stream. You'll be able to do other tasks, and you'll be able to earn coins and points. So that's just it. That's one of the reasons why a lot of male Poppo users that are beginners are discouraged to go on this Poppo Live. So what I usually do when they tell me that no, they can't buy coins, they don't have that much money to buy coins and all of that, what I do, there's another platform that I'm also working with that does not have restrictions for male users. So what I do, I always divert them to that particular platform. So they just register and they start their task immediately. So if you're a male user, you don't want to buy coins to level up on Poppo Live, just join the WhatsApp group and send me a DM, and I will send you the link to the new platform so that you can start earning immediately. All right. So I think with this, I have come to the end of this tutorial. If you have more questions that I did not answer in this video, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I'll be available to respond to you. I hope you found value for this video. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. If you are not already in my WhatsApp group, I'll be dropping the link to my WhatsApp group also in the pinned comment and in the description. Do well to join the group and ask your questions. And if you are a beginner, if you are new to Poppo Live platform, you have not registered, you want to register, also join the group and send me a DM and I will forward you the link.